Welcome to Calvinson and Math. Let us look at this nice question. Find the sum of the first 6 terms of the GP, and the GP is 2, 6, 18, 54, and so on and so forth. So the formula for obtaining the sum of the first n terms of a GP is given by Sn is equal to A into R power n minus 1 over R minus 1. So all we need to do is identify what A is. So in this case, A is normally the first term. So the first term there is 2. And then what N is. So N is the number of terms that you have been limited to. Like in this case, it is 6. So N is 6. And then finally R, which is the common ratio, which can be obtained by dividing a particular term or a particular entry by the preceding term. So in this case, we could even take 6 and divide by 2, or we could take 18 and divide by 6. We'll get R to be 3. So now the sum of the first 6 terms in this case will be A, and A in our case is 2. So we have 2 into R, that is 3, power n, and n is 6, minus 1, and that is over R, which is 3 minus 1. So let us do this. So 3 raised to power 6 is the same as 729. So we have this as 2 into 729 minus 1 over 3 minus 1, that is 2. So 2 and 2 can cancel, so that you're left with 729 minus 1, which is just the same as 728.